我是主持人雪乔。今天呢，我们来到了一个非常特别的地方，这里呢是全世界最古老的摄影棚之一，也是很多好莱坞电影、电视剧经典场景的拍摄地哦。这里就是华纳兄弟拍摄基地。I'm a giant。我们所熟知的电影《侏罗纪公园》《银翼杀手》《蜘蛛侠》《爱乐之城》，还有美剧《老友记》《生活大爆炸》等等。 都曾在这个占地25公顷的拍摄基地里拍摄。今天，我们将跟随基地向导 Steven 一起探索这个造梦工厂，看看这里都有什么新奇的惊喜。
So this is actually our Friends Central Perk exhibit. We know that Friends is a huge phenomenon, so when guests come to the studio, they want to see Friends. So this is the recreation of the actual set used in Stage 24 for all 10 seasons of the show. So they get to come here, fulfill their fantasies, sit on the lovely couch. Now our couch here is actually the couch used in the reunion special. A few other items from this lovely set here. We have our chalkboard. The actual chalk up there has been here since the final episode. We just sprayed it with hairspray to preserve it.
接下来，我们将要进入另一个奇妙世界。
Yeah, this is our grand finale. This is called Action and Magic Made Here. We bring you the action through the use of the DC comic superheroes and the magic with the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Now behind me, you see some brand new costumes on exhibit. We have Heath Ledger's Dark Knight costume when he played the iconic Joker. And then off to this side, we have Oswald Cobblepot, played by Colin Farrell. And then we have the Riddler as well, played by Paul Dano. So we're really excited to have these costumes here. Well, this is Action and Magic, but this is not the DC section. This is the Wizarding World of Harry Potter now. So as the films start, we're at the Dursley house, and here we're in the living room where we are getting bombarded with all of the letters inviting Harry Potter to Hogwarts. So from here, we're going to move our way to Hogwarts. We're going to go get sorted by the sorting hat. Then we have a couple classes. We have herbology. We're going to go play with some mandrakes. And then we have potions. We got to go take our owls over in Snape's class today, okay? And then from there, we have some wand choreography for you so you can learn how to hold your wand properly. Now that's not the end. Once you're done with Hogwarts, you're transported and pretty much tucked away inside of Newt Scamander's shed. So you can go see some fantastic beasts as well.
在哈利波特的魔法世界里，我不仅参加了分院仪式，认识了曼德拉草，还亲自调制了魔法药水，更在纽特斯卡曼德的魔法手提箱里玩了一会儿。对了，如果想在这里偶遇明星的话，记得要选择周中的时间来参观哦。